push-powered truck. Well, it worked and no one died. Almost did a Donna there. Ah, look at the big girl go. You forgot to say timber. That's the old driveway. She was a little bit too steep. That's the new driveway. It's quite a bit less steep. So hopefully it works. So in my defense, I was just going to use 2 cups.
Yep, that one's wrong. Bloody hell.
Yeah, that was about a litre.
That's hot. Yeah, you're already proper rad. There's not in there. I just popped.
Uh-oh. Look how that stick like comes out in the middle of it.
Yeah.
It looks like bad special effects.
It's stabbing you. Coming, boy.
Coming. No one is there. Oh,
Just open the kitchen when that's burnt and you're done there.
Hmm?
When you want to wash your hands,
Yeah.
just open the kitchen.
Alright.
That's blue. There is some blue in there. There was
It's
blue
been
in there
happening the whole
before.
time now.
There's got to be some metal in there that's doing that. What was blue, Reese? Do you remember?
Maybe copper?
Oh, I've
So
got
that
those
was green.
batteries in.
Yeah, if you want. There's a...
Oh, wow.
Oh, Bear missed it.
Okay.
What's that?
Did you see that out the window, Bear?
I heard it.
It must have been half a bottle hung up.
So it doesn't look like much until you realise I'm actually sitting in a big canal. Not sure how I can film this like that. Maybe get it up high enough. Come on, Bubba. Gonna get rocky in a second. Come on. You can. Alright, let's. How do we change the mode? Ah, I don't have enough power to turn anymore. Let's see if we bring it in. Take a runner. Don't like that sitting there. Let's see if we can push it. No! Oh! Get down. Get down. Good girl. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. So, hang on. It's back in. Right, so I shouldn't hit anything up there. Whee! Alright, so this should be funny. This is what the view happens when you spin around. So the bucket stays the same. And look at the riser. Goodbye, horizon. And I didn't die. Another day, another $1.27. So basically we're going to turn this into a paddock so that I can grow the mock-orange trees up here. So I'll try and keep as many of the big trees as I can. Definitely keep that big girl. But yeah, let's go straight up there. Knock them all back, push them back, and then we'll come in, try and clear the grass, mow it, and then put 500 trees in there. Fun. And about 3 hours later, so I've got a few 100-kilo log on chains that I tow behind the 4-wheel drive. Bring that in here, run it around, clean this up, and then this is where all my mock orange trees are going to go. They look pretty. So yeah, this will just be the growing pad. And while they are plants in pots, they're not pot plants. So you can see the red patrol up there. That's where the truck used to go. So it'd go down very, very steep. I am currently doing the clearing work, and then Josh will come in tomorrow and build the road. This is where the new driveway is going to go. To be bellied. I shall return in a sec. No idea what that was about. Nothing really there to get bellied on. Blade's in front of me. Bloody lantana. Bloody lantana. Alright, let's fix that. Lantana. Okay, I think I might have picked up a rock in a track or something. Let's go have a look. No idea. Push up. sort the stroke out. Hey. So the drive gear on the driver's side is binding up for some reason. So that big fucker didn't want to drop. So I introduced him to the chainsaw. And you can see the pig tag in front of me. That's where I'm aiming for. Alright. Bye. Hey Don, what are we doing?
We're off to Christmas.
Where?
Sunny Coast. The Christmas that we weren't going to be here for, that we surprised.
Everybody.
Yes. Nope, I'm turning it back to you.
Alright, so I've been working my tail off the last few days. Jesus. Did another pass on the driveway yesterday, so Don, hold the
Oh,
camera.
the brick fell in. Well, the bricks fell in. That way. Oops. Careful of that stone. So just be careful of that big rock.
See what this looks like after rain. How do you know you're pointing at the right stuff?
I'm just assuming that I am. It takes everything. Perfect. You can point it all you want, but I just get bumped around.
Yeah, but you had it pointing straight at that A-pillar.
Pillar.
And this is her sober.
Yeah.
You can see it's all working, so all the water's running to the left-hand side. It gets here, slows down and runs off.
Nice. Carries rock.
Once I run the turd polisher over this and give it a scrape and a polish, it's gonna look quite freaking amazing. Ooh. Stuffed up there.
What was that?
Didn't clean up after I used the blade on the back.
This looks great. It's weathered all that water well.
So that'll run around to the left. That looks better.
I'm not kidding.
Clean this up.
This looks
With the rocks.
fantastic.
That's a shame.
Still better than it was.
No, not as good as it was when I left it yesterday.
Okay. Good having all the little rocks there.